In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all tickets in Zendesk. Whether you're a customer service rep or a manager overseeing support operations, knowing how to efficiently view tickets is crucial for maintaining excellent customer service. So, let's dive right in and make this as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Zendesk website, which is known for being a complete customer service solution. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type in zendesk.com. This is the main hub where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you should see a sign in button prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking sign in, you will be directed to the login page. This is where you'll need to enter your personal credentials to access your Zendesk account. Make sure you type in your email and password correctly. It's important to be vigilant here to avoid any access issues. Once you've carefully entered your credentials, hit the sign in button again to proceed. Upon signing in, you'll be taken to your Zendesk dashboard. This is your gateway to managing all customer interactions. Now here's where it gets really exciting. To view all tickets, locate and click on the view icon. It's usually represented by a list or a menu option depending on the Zendesk interface version you're using. Clicking this icon is key to accessing a comprehensive list of tickets that are currently available. Once you've clicked on the view icon, you will be presented with a list of all tickets within your Zendesk account. This includes open tickets, pending issues, and those that might already be resolved. Being able to see all your tickets at once helps in understanding workload, prioritizing tasks, and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And just like that, you've successfully accessed the entire list of tickets in Zendesk. This view is particularly helpful for monitoring customer queries, tracking resolution times, and evaluating the overall efficiency of your customer service team. It's a valuable skill that can significantly improve your team's workflow and customer satisfaction rates. So, to wrap up, navigating Zendesk to view all your tickets is quite straightforward. Start by visiting the Zendesk website and signing in with your credentials. Once logged in, use the view icon to access all your tickets. Implementing this process regularly ensures that you stay on top of customer service interactions, fostering an organized and responsive support system. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this guide has empowered you to master ticket management in Zendesk.